Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make this simple origami heart. It's a traditional model that's very easy to fold, so it's perfect for beginners. All you need is a square sheet of paper. You can use any size you like. Let's start by folding the paper in half diagonally. Crease it well, then unfold. Now rotate the paper, so it looks like this, and make a very small mark in the middle. To do so, just bring the bottom corner up, like this, mark the middle, and undo. Next, take the top corner and fold it down to the center. Crease the fold well. Now take the bottom corner and fold all the way up to the top edge. Now let's fold the right side to the middle. Do the same thing on the left side. And now you can already see the heart taking shape. For the final step, turn the paper over and fold these 4 corners. Turn the paper over again, and the origami heart is ready! Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.